In 1918, our founder, Waldo Berryman, began this company when he traded his prize-winning stud horse for a tire sealer formula that he later patented. Now, we have grown a lot since the early days when Mr. Berryman sold his products from the back of his truck to become the player in the automotive aftermarket that we are today. And with over 50 additives, cleaners, and lubricants under the Berryman name, we have a solution for any need. My grandfather, R.H. Blankenship, purchased the company from Mr. Berryman in 1970 and immediately put his family to work. And for over 55 years and 4 generations, the Blankenship family has overseen the incredible consistency and growth of the company. At Berryman, we are dedicated to creating the highest quality maintenance solutions for the aftermarket. Nestled in between Dallas and Fort Worth, our plant in Arlington, Texas is where it all comes together. Here, every Berryman product is formulated, tested, packaged, and shipped to customers both here in the States and internationally. Ultimately, it's all about our people. The dedicated and professional folks who make Berryman the thriving company we are today. I'm humbled to be able to continue building on the Berryman commitment to providing the highest quality, American-made maintenance and performance chemicals in the industry, now and well into the future.